Jag minns ju den tid du gav mig life billar, yo. Nu vill jag kunna ge tillbaka allt jag inte kunna ge förut. Det finns ju ingen annan där som kan stå här by my side, oh why. Sättet du rör på det får mig att dö för dig, baby. För de här yardis, de vill ju bara dra ner oss. Men du är fett och vanlig, och det jag lägger all min tid och jag vill ha dig. Du får mig känna safety. Jag kan nog leda baby, och jag kommer aldrig ändra mig. Aldrig, aldrig, aldrig. Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Aldrig, aldrig, aldrig. Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Varje gång jag bak på dig, jag tänker åh vilket kap jag har gjort. Jag skulle gå tillbaks i tid, göra om allt igen och förstå.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Claudia. Welcome. I'm hoping you're here to stay. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to become a part of the family. It is totally free to subscribe to the channel. And if you are a returnee, a Sabi honey, then thank you so much for stopping back by. So as you guys can tell by the title, today we have a natural hair video. I am gonna be attempting to do the top knot bun. This hairdo is inspired by Tamara Renee. This is her signature look, and I just had to try it, so I'm hoping this would go smooth. Everything that I'll be using today will be in the description box for you guys to check that out. And let's get into this tutorial. So my hair is freshly washed, and I have a natural 4C hair. So if you're new to the channel, I am 1 month post texlaxing my hair. If you guys don't know what texlaxing is, I'll have that video right up in the card as well as in the description box for you guys to check out the process of texlaxing. First thing I'm gonna do is moisturize my hair with some oil. I'm not gonna use heat this time around, and I'm hoping this will be a sleek bun. Otherwise, I do not know. Then I'm using some water, clean water, because I do have high porosity hair and my hair dries up very quickly. So just to hydrate it a little bit to make the gelling process easier, I am just spraying some water on. Then I'm gonna use a detangling brush and brush through my hair. And I'm already brushing my hair into the position that I want it. I actually don't like using too much gel on my hair. I normally just use it around, you know, on the front and the back, and I try and make sure that the inside is nice and moist so it can easily stretch out. I think I'm gonna have it up here, right there. The gel that I'll be using is the Eco Styling Gel. This has the olive oil in it, and I've noticed my hair only slicks down when I use the two following gels. So it's this one with the olive oil, and then we have the black top, which is with the black seed oil. So that's the only two Eco Styling Gels that slicks my hair down. And I'm starting with a little bit like that. This is the brush that I'll be using next. I'm using a scrunchie. And now to straighten out this top, I'm just gonna use my wide tooth comb just to comb out the top so it can easily blend with my extensions. And this is the hairpiece that I'll be using to create the top knot. This is like an old hairpiece that I've had laying here for the longest time. So yeah, I'm gonna use that. I tied the hair scrunchie right there. Let me actually show you guys how I tied it. So this is the old piece of hair extension, and this is how I'm gonna tie it around the braid. So first I put it underneath like this. So first I get it like this, okay, and then I take one piece and put it through the other loop and just pull on that piece, and there you have it, secured. Now I'm gonna attach this to my own hair. So I'm just gonna take my natural hair and swirl it around because it is a little bit too fluffed out, and then I'll take the extensions and wrap it around my natural hair to hide it like that. Do you guys see that? And then all I do next is just swirl and swirl. You'll start seeing the braids trying to fold on their own, so you just have to swirl it tighter and tighter, and just go into the directions of the braid. Keep on swirling. So as you're swirling, you'll start seeing the braid folding, and just follow the way that it wants to fold and keep on swirling very tight. This is a little bit messy. And just like that, you have your top knot bun. All I'm going to do now is spray some Got2B glue for all the flyaways. And then a little bit on my natural hair as well. I'm sure you guys can see this side, there's a little bit of a lump here. So all I'm gonna do is take a bobby pin and just pin that in. Now of course we are also gonna add some edges, and you guys know I'm not the best at edges or baby hairs so I'm gonna attempt to make some and make them look cute. And I'm also using a little bit of the Eco Stylic gel. As you guys can see, this hair of mine is real 4C hair, so it doesn't lay that easily. So I'm gonna go in with this Georgie Line Total Control Gel, and it is in number 5, which is extreme because my hair needs that extra hold. And yeah, you guys, that is how I achieved this top knot bun in less than 20 minutes. All you need is some hair oil, moisturizer, or a leave-in conditioner for your natural hair, some water to help stretch out your natural hair and also help you use less gel on your hair. As you guys saw, I literally just applied around the perimeter of my hair and not on the inside, but it is still looking very much sleek. So the water really comes handy. Your detangling brush, your paddle brush, or whatever comb that works perfect for your hair type, 2 scrunchies, 1 or 2 bobby pins, just to pin in some hair that you feel like would go out of place. For your edges, you can use whatever edge control you have, or just go in with the same gel that you used for your entire hair. And of course, you'll need a piece of hair extension, so your braiding hair or some sew-ins. You can go ahead and slick it down even further with like a satin head wrap or whatever you prefer, a scarf. If I feel like there's any flyaways that need to be laid down, I'm gonna use my Got2B glue to slick that down. It was a very quick hairdo for those last minute events, meetups or whatsoever. This is a perfect hairdo and it's still giving very much classy. I am gonna be recreating the makeup look in the next upcoming video, because it is going to be a one branded makeup review. It's also going to be very quick, so you guys can literally stay tuned. It is going to be right after this video. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, kindly give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, as well as hitting that notification bell right next to it so you can always be notified once I do upload a new video. Also, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this hair tutorial. Is it something very easy to achieve? Is it something that you'll be trying out? I would love to interact with you guys in the comment section. Don't forget to share with your friends, your girlfriends, so we can grow together. Thank you so much once more for watching. Do stay safe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.